Have you ever wondered how to solve an equation like this? Most students think it is impossible using elementary algebra, but in this lesson, I will show you how the Lambert double function solves it step by step. Solution: s raised to power x equals 4. Now, in solving this, we need knowledge of natural logarithm. That is, the laws of natural logarithm. We have e raised to power x equals to y. When you take natural logarithm on both sides, so the natural logarithm of this one equals to the natural logarithm of the other side of the equation. So we obtain x equals to ln y. So the same way this double function work, then Lambert double function work the same way. So but the expression must be in this canonical form: s to power x multiplied by e raised to power x equals to y. So in this canonical form, now this expression given here must be written in canonical form using the knowledge of logarithm function. Now this taking natural logarithm of both sides of the equation given here, we have ln s raised to power x will now turn to s multiplied by ln x equals to ln 4. Now using in law of logarithm, x can be written as e raised to power ln x, then multiplied by ln x, we can write it here, then equals to ln 4. Now we are going to take Lambert double function on both sides of the equation. That is, we have Lambert double function of this ln x. Now taking Lambert double function, we have this of this, that is Lambert double function of ln x multiplied by e raised to power Lambert double function of ln x. So coming to this, compared to this one, after taking Lambert double function, because this expression is canonical form, we are going to obtain ln x. You know, here taking Lambert double natural logarithm of this e raised to power x will give us x. The same thing applies here, which is equals to Lambert double function of ln 4. Now the next thing we are going to do, we need to evaluate it using Lambert double function. So now we have ln 4 can be written as Lambert double function of ln 4 can be written as ln 2 raised to power 2, which will be 2 multiplied by ln 2. So now we have 2 ln 2 can be written as e raised to power, these two can be written as e raised to power ln 2, then multiplied by ln 2. So which implies we have ln 2 multiplied by e raised to power ln 2. Now when you take Lambert double function on both sides of the equation, we have Lambert double function of 2 ln 2 equals to Lambert double function of ln 2, then multiplied by e raised to power Lambert double function of multiplied by e raised to power Lambert double function of ln 2, which implies taking this is in canonical form. Therefore, the result of to be obtained here will be ln 2. So which implies Lambert double function of 2 ln 2 equals to ln 2, which implies ln x equals to ln 2. So ln will cancel out, that is natural logarithm will cancel out on both sides, x equals to 2. Now the answer is x equals to ln x equals to 2. So in the next lesson, I will show you how to solve s raised to power x equals 256 using the Lambert double function. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you.